Niacinamide is an ultimate multitasker in skincare. If you're dealing with acne, oiliness, or dark spots, you have probably heard about niacinamide serums. But in today's video, we are going to deep dive into the Dermaco's 10% niacinamide serum with zinc, and is it really worth the hype? Let's break down the ingredients, the benefits, and whether the serum is right for your skin. Stay till the end because I'm going to share my personal experience with this product. I'm also going to share about the do's and don'ts while using niacinamide serum, how to use it correctly, and maximize its benefits. So if this is something that interests you, keep watching the video. Now, before talking about the Dermaco's 10% niacinamide serum, let's talk about what niacinamide is. So, niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 which is used in many skincare products. It is a very skin-friendly ingredient and can be used daily in your skincare routine. It controls oil production, minimizes pores, reduces acne marks and pigmentation, strengthens the skin barrier, and soothes inflammation. It's gentle, effective, and works with most of the skin types. Now let's talk about the formula of the Dermaco's 10% niacinamide serum. So the key ingredients are 10% niacinamide. Now I've already talked about the benefits of niacinamide. It also contains 1% zinc PCA. Now zinc is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So if you have an acne-prone skin, so using a zinc serum in your skincare routine can help in combating breakouts as well as reduces inflammation. Now this serum also contains glycerin and hyaluronic acid in it. Now glycerin and hyaluronic acid both are humectants which attracts water, making your skin plump as well as hydrated. Hyaluronic acid is a glycosaminoglycan which can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. So it helps in plumping, nourishing as well as hydrating your skin. Now this serum also contains witch hazel extract. So it is a natural astringent which helps soothe irritated skin and tighten pores. The best part is it does not contain any kind of fragrance or essential oils in it. So if you have a very sensitive skin, it will work for your skin type as well. I've been using the serum for many years now. It has worked great for my combination acne prone skin. So this is my go-to serum if I'm dealing with oiliness on my skin or acne or mild acne marks. The serum has a viscous formula. It absorbs easily into the skin and does not give any kind of tacky or sticky feel. It can be laid under your moisturizer as well as sunscreen daily. Now, niacinamide is such a skin-friendly active that it can be combined with multiple ingredients at the same time. You can easily combine it with your retinol as well. Overall, this serum definitely delivers what it claims. But as with any skincare product, it's not a magic fix. Consistency is the key. Now, who should use this serum? So this serum is perfect for oily and acne-prone skin, people dealing with acne marks or pigmentation, and those struggling with enlarged pores. However, if you're new to niacinamide and your skin is quite sensitive to it, you can start with a lower percentage, that is 5% of niacinamide serum. So for application, apply 2 to 3 drops on cleansed face and pat till completely absorbed. This serum can be combined with all the actives and can be used twice a day. The serum is safe and effective, fragrance-free, and designed by dermatologists. You can purchase this product from Dermaco's official website and you can use my coupon code POONAM2025 for getting a flat 20% off. This product is also available at Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, and Purple. The Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students till date with their Young Scientist initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi. I put on the link of the product in the description box below, do check it out. But before trying out any kind of new product, a patch test is highly recommended. And whenever you're using any kind of active ingredient in your skincare routine, application of a sunscreen is a must. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.